top-notch quality. I'm expecting a good story. I'm expecting beautiful production. I'm expecting fantastic acting and delivery on this one. Because I mean, I've seen the cast list. I know the production is coming from, and they are known for beautiful stories and top-notch production. So I'm expecting nothing short of that standard.
Do you two know each other?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Dim, I don't want anything to happen to you.
My name is Emeka Mabarocha and I play Boyega in Summer Rain. So I absolutely enjoyed playing my character. I mean, he was a fun character to play and a very interesting character to explore. And of course, I bonded with Genoveva. She's like my girl. So anywhere we see each other, we definitely like have a lot of catching up to do. So yeah.
Hi Goldmynetv, I'm Genoveva. I'm live on the carpet of Summer Rain. I play Murewa Abby on the set of Summer Rain. She's a young girl who loves her community, loves her studies, loves the people that she is living and getting to experience. We see her experience something life-changing, and then we get to see how she deals with it as an older adult. My experience on set was beautiful. I'm grateful for my female filmmakers, Adenike and Ajao, my director, she was so understanding and warm, and she really created an environment for us to play. And then I was just really having the best time with Kayode Jr. and Kanaga, so it was just such a fun set, and I'm grateful to be a part of this production.
Definitely, I'm here for Adenike, the producer, first of all. I'm also here for Bolaji, my girl. I'm also here for Daniel Etim, I'm also here for Uncle Femi. And, the entire cast. Everybody here is just absolutely sweet. I mean, Jenny's, she's amazing. She's an amazing actor. Everybody here is just going to bring out the heat, and I'm definitely here for it.
Hi, I'm Tufe. Mama's boyfriend. How could you be married to him?
You really loved her, didn't you?
I've been in love with her for almost half of my life.
I'm looking out for everyone actually, because I have a few of them that I like. I like everybody on the cast, so I'm looking out for everyone actually.
Bolaji Ogunmola. That girl, like I said before, that girl, hi, the kind of brain that God gave to her, very, very unique, something.
And we're live here tonight for the premiere of Summer Rain, the movie by Bolaji Ogunmola. And of course, you all know the vibe. When it comes to Bolaji Ogunmola, don't play. Even our YouTube movies, you people know say, no big band nah, confirm, una know as they go now. So this particular one, tonight, I'm expecting greatness, I'm expecting extraordinary things, I'm expecting love, love, love. And then I'm expecting something dynamic. And of course, I'm going to get it because I trust Bolaji Ogunmola now.
Why will your husband be angry?
Yes, we'll do that too.
To be honest, I'm excited to see almost every cast member because I love a lot of them. So I'll only be biased to call one name, to be honest. But most of all, Bolaji Ogunmola, the EP. I can't wait to see her
I can't wait to see a lot of them, because a lot of the cast are amazing and they are top-notch actors. So I can't wait to see all of them.
Hi, good evening. My name is Ajao and I play the character Murewe Abe in the film Summer Rain. It was beautiful. It was amazing. The energy was right. It was amazing.
Everybody that's a young actor, yeah, got a big bias for my guys, and I know they're gonna kill it. So looking forward to seeing Kanaga, Coyote, Genevieve. I'm sure everybody's gonna bring a great performance.
We are out tonight to celebrate love, right? It is summer rain. Can I hear you make some noise? Can I hear you make some noise? Okay, since we don't want to make noise, let's sit down and sing, a lullaby together. Are we ready? Which one should we sing? Who loves lullabies here? Let me start with you. Hey, baby. Hi, Genevieve. Genevieve. You people need to watch this film too. I'm not going to give any spoilers yet. What lullaby is singing for? Do we know that one? No, this one is too posh. I need somebody that's going to give us a Nigerian lullaby. Which one? Who's going to give us that? Let me come to this side. Nigerian lullaby. A Nigerian lullaby. 3, 2, 1, choir, let's go. La
So I play the character Adenike, who falls in love with Bolaji's character when they were young, and then of course growing up, they parted ways, and they get to meet themselves again several years later, and the sparks happened all over again, and they rediscover their love. And yeah, but also to mention that there were challenges along the way, and they had to overcome those challenges to find true love. I don't know, I think I play all characters well. I'm just an empath, so sometimes when I get to connect with people, I connect to people really well, connect with people really well, and that translates really well in like love stories and dramas and things like that, yeah.
Every single one of them, actually, it's love. I love love, so I want to see every single one of them play their role.
We played games.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. I was my friend. How could she be married to him?
You really loved her, didn't you?
I've been in love with her for almost half of my life.
My name is Adenike Adebayo-Esho'S. I am the director and co-producer of Summer Rain. Well, I actually wrote the story as well, so I got the inspiration, I wrote down the story, I knew it was a story I wanted to tell, wanted to invest in, of course, wanted to direct as well. And yeah, came to life. No, all my actors were phenomenal. I worked with well-behaved, brilliant actors who really wanted to do the project, so yes, it was easy breezy.
You should have just said that you love me.
Yeah, I could have made a difference.
You would have changed the world. Don't you get it?
Stay the night with me.
Let's keep cheering them. We're about to have a good time. Let's go. Come on. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmynetv and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.